In 2026, the best drone depends on your specific needs, such as portability, camera quality, or budget. DJI continues to dominate the market with a roughly 94% share in the consumer sector. Hello guys, what's up? Are you looking for best drones? Here we find as.
Main features are Antigravity A1360 drone with camera 8K, immersive goggles, point-to-fly motion control for adults and beginners, obstacle avoidance, 249 grams and foldable, deep track, auto return, auto edit.
Special features are 8K 360 video capture, immersive 360 flight, point-to-fly motion control, obstacle avoidance, deep track subject following, AI video editing. True 360-degree immersive flight. Experience the Vision Goggles' massive 90 degrees FOV, 66% wider than standard goggles, with dual 1-inch micro OLEDs and pancake optics that deliver uncompromised immersion.
Its lightweight 340-gram design with built-in diopter adjustment ensures a sharp, glasses-free view for every pilot. 8K 360 video. One shot, infinite possibilities. The world's first 360 drone captures everything around it, letting you relive your footage in crisp 8K resolution. Powered by a decade of Insta360's industry-leading 360 technology, A1 captures every angle with seamless, invisible stitching. DJI Mini5 Pro Best Compact Camera Drone. Main features are DJI Mini5 Pro ultralight and foldable drone with camera, 1-inch CMOS omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track 360, 225-degree gimbal rotation, 20-kilometer transmission, 4K drone for beginners. Ultralight palm-sized foldable design. Compact and foldable, this palm-sized drone slips easily into a pocket and offers 42 gigabytes of internal storage for uninterrupted flying. 1-inch CMOS with 4K 60 FPS HDR video. 1-inch CMOS sensor captures 4K 60 FPS HDR video with sharp detail and vibrant colors for stunning high-quality footage. True vertical filming and 225 degrees flexible gimbal rotation. Capture creative footage with a gimbal that offers true vertical filming and 225 degrees roll rotation from diverse angles and heights.
Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Forward-facing LiDAR and vision sensors detect obstacles in all directions, enhancing safety for night flights and return to home.
Potensic Atom 2 Best Budget Camera Drone. Main features are Potensic Atom 2 drone with camera for adults, 4K video, 8K photo, under 249 grams, 3-axis gimbal, 10 km transmission, AI track, vertical shooting, AI night shot, quick shots, fly more combo. Special feature, 2.7K vertical shooting, 4x digital zoom, panoramic, P-log, dolly zoom, slow motion, cine roll, and quick shots, 8K photo, 4K at 30 frames per second HDR video, 1x2-inch Sony CMOS sensor, AI track, and AI stunning night shot, lightweight, long-distance control. AI track and AI stunning night shot. Powered by our own AI model, Atom 2 has premium object locking and imagery technology. Frame your target to access tracking modes, spotlight, follow, and parallel. In addition, it makes it easy to capture crisp and clear videos at night. Under 249 grams, no registration required. Atom 2's compact and lightweight design does not need FAA and remote ID registration. You can take it to capture exciting moments anytime, anywhere. Beginner-friendly flight. Atom 2 offers precise GNSS positioning, a customizable home point, cruise control, auto takeoff and landing, and smart return to home (RTH), delivering a smooth and enjoyable flying experience.
DJI Mavic 4 Pro, best flagship camera drone.
Main features are DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone with DJI RC2, flagship tri-camera drone with 100 megapixel 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera for professionals, 30 kilometers 18.6 mile video transmission, 51-minute max flight time. Special feature 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 360-degree flip, integrated camera, long-distance control. Age range is adult. Color is gray.
Video capture resolution 4K, 6K. Effective still resolution 100 MP. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. 100 MP main camera. DJI Mavic 4 Pro's 100 MP Hasselblad camera with 6K 60 FPS HDR video captures stunning drone footage with vivid detail. Versatile tele-images. Dual tele-cameras on this drone deliver crisp, detailed zooms for professional aerial photography. Dynamic angles unleashed. The camera drone's 360-degree infinity gimbal offers dynamic camera movement for cinematic shots. Safe night flights. This drone's 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing detects obstacles in low light, great for night shoots. Extended flight time. Enjoy 51 minutes of flight with this camera drone, ideal for capturing long professional scenes.
DJI Neo 2, best beginner drone. Main features are: special feature is palm takeoff and landing, gesture control, active track, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 4K high-quality imaging, palm takeoff and landing, gesture control, active track, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 4K high-quality imaging. Age range for adult. Color is Gary. Video capture resolution is 4K. Effective still resolution is 12 MP. Connectivity technology is Bluetooth, Wi-Fi.
Lightweight and portable design, weighing just 151 grams and C0 certified. This compact drone features full coverage propeller guards for safer, worry-free transport and flight. Palm takeoff and landing, gesture control. Enjoy easy palm takeoff and landing, plus intuitive gesture controls for hands-free operation and seamless flying experiences.
Smooth and reliable tracking. Active Track keeps your subject in focus, while Apple Watch lets you view live feed, check flight status, or use voice control to adjust tracking. Easy moment capture with Selfie Shot. Snap memorable moments easily with Selfie Shot, allowing quick and convenient selfies anytime with just a simple tap.